girl Eonnie Dear here, and today I'm going to be doing a look with the Essentials palette. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. So here it is. Also, this is how it looks inside. I'm not sure yet what kind of look I might do. I might just use maybe the bottom row, but we'll see. I'm thinking I might use the bottom row. Make a dark plummy rosy look. So I already did my foundation. I just used my cushion foundation and my older Chanel. I didn't use any concealer. I just put the powder underneath my eyes. I didn't feel like doing all of that. You know, concealer is something. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go straight into the look. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Dusty Rose. I'm just gonna take this brush. Just gonna take a fluffy brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and go into Dusty Rose and go all over my lid space. So let's do this since it's the closest. So I'm not being very neat with this color because this is just the transition color. So I'm just putting it all over. As you know, I like a winged look, so I'm just winging it out. If you want a more round look, just keep it in here. Don't brush it outwards. So I'm liking that. To deepen it, I think I'm gonna go in with the same brush and go into Cinnamon and just go on the outer corner and in my crease. So remember, whenever you're doing eyeshadow, the first place you lay your brush will have the most pigment. So that, since I want a darker look, darkest spot I want to be is probably right here. So I'm gonna raise my eyebrow right here. And I'm just gonna go in circular motion, going from the middle out, going down into this little socket here and deepening up that color. It's a little bit deeper. So I'm just gonna do a pinch, dust off, and go right back, deepest part right here. And bring it out. Blend it out, and I want that little wing, so I'm gonna wing it. And blend those two colors in. Now, as you can see, since I don't have a lot of pigment on my brush anymore, I just went straight to the front, deepen it a little bit, and going back out. That's just to blend the colors in. So when I look straight on, you can see the little dusty rose here, and then it gets really deep in here. Still giving a little rose color, just a little bit more nude cinnamon. So now, I think I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. Let's see if I have one. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. I'm just gonna go into Plumberry, this purple shimmer shade. And I'm gonna go all over my lid. So from right here to here. Now if you want better pigment, or if you want a little bit more shimmery, you can just use your finger. I don't feel like using my finger. Maybe I will in the end. So I'm just gonna take that and go straight across. Or if you want, you can take a spritz of a setting spray, spray on your brush, and there'll be more shimmer. It'll be more shimmery. So I just took that purple shimmer shade and I went from right here, from my inner corner, all the way to the end over here, right on the lid. So now I'm just gonna take my ring finger, because I do want a little bit more pigment, and I'm just gonna go right in the middle and dab and blend it in. You see a little bit more of that purple. So now, since I said I'm gonna use the bottom row, I'm gonna go into that black. I'm gonna deepen it more, and I'm gonna bring some of that black underneath. Before I do that, I'm gonna take that same brush I went into cinnamon with, and I'm just gonna go under my eye with the cinnamon first, before I do the black, just to give it a little dimension. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the black. So now I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna I don't want it to be all over my lid, so I'm just gonna use a more rounded brush like these. And I'm gonna go straight into the black. Little dips, pretty pigmented. So remember, darkest spot first. So I want the darkest spot maybe right here. Creating a deeper shade. If you don't want to go so drastic, you can use a darker brown with your own palette, but since this is what it has here, I'm just lightly going in with the black, just to like give it a smoky look, make it more dramatic. So remember, in, blend it, bring it up into the crease right here, and then under the eye. I'm gonna add a little more to the under eye. So now, with that, I've used all of these colors, but I want a little bit of dimension. So I'm gonna take my finger, I'm gonna use my middle finger, and I'm gonna go into this pink shimmer shade. Just put it right there. I'm gonna go down right in this area. Give it a little halo effect, just to add some more brightness to that purple. See how it leaves a little gradient effect? So it's purple, a little lighter, and then dark again. I'm gonna blend it in with the ring finger that has a little bit of that purple on it. side right now. So now that I've done both eyes, I'm just gonna go in with some Alamar Cosmetics, my favorite trio. I'm gonna go into Toasted, the last shade. I'm just gonna give me some cute little blush. You know, I always like to start at the top of the cheekbone and a little bit to the temple, and then I bring it down. Giving me slight contour, mostly blushed. I'm not gonna do a contour anyways. Just want a little. When I say a little, and I'm putting a lot. So now we're just gonna do the other side. Go straight into Toasted. Start at the top, into the temple, and down. And you know, I like to bring some into the middle, and then right on the nose. And blend it out. Also, if you think you went too heavy-handed, you can always take a clean, fluffy brush and go over it, blending it more, and that will make it less pigmented. But see me, I want you to see it. If you don't like it, that's your business. Now we're gonna go just straight into lip. I think I just want to keep in the brown and purple. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipsticks. So in this one is in the shade Devil's Advocate, and then this one is Deviant Damsel, which is the purple. So I'm gonna go into this first. I'm going to basically, you could say, line my lips. I still have color on my finger. Take that. And I'm going to line my lip. I do like the color, but I want a little more purple. So I'm gonna go in with, what's it called again? Deviant Damsel. I'm just gonna go over the top of that. Should give a dark purpley color. Here it is. Oh, that's purple. If we can do that all over again, just do this. Just do Deviant Damsel. Oh, what? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take these off, and I'm just gonna put some lashes, because we're extra, but we're not all the way there. So I'm gonna just put on lashes, put on probably a little mascara, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I put on some lashes, give it a little bit more dramatic. Also, I'm gonna take the Essentials palette again. I'm going to go back into the Plum Berry. I'm gonna put some more underneath here, some of the plum. I think it just needs a little more purple. So that is the full look for the Essentials Pro Series palette. This is the first one. I do have the second one because I got it in another BoxyCharm box. So I will be doing another one of my little palette series. I hope you like this look. It was simple, easy. I don't have that much makeup on. All I got is foundation, powder under the eyes, blush, Essentials palette, lips, and girl, we look cute. Do we need highlight? I think so. Let's get this. Let's get this highlight on. Let's take these. Should have a highlight in here, no? I hope I do. I don't think I do. Alright. I don't have a highlight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into cream. I probably have the highlight somewhere else, but we don't got time for that. I'm gonna go into cream. And just put it right here. And do the same for the other side. Go into the cream in the Essentials Pro palette. Dust it, and then go onto the nose. And there we go. So now I'm finished. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. So, bye-bye, guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.